Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to use Google Task for project management in 2025. Even if you are a complete beginner, this video will be a gold for you. So we will cover how to create tasks, then organize projects, set deadlines, and even integrate Google Task with Gmail, and also how you can integrate with Google Calendar for better productivity. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main video. First of all, we are going to talk about what is Google Task actually. Actually, Google Task is a free task management tool from Google that allows you to create simple to-do lists. Then also it helps you to set deadlines and reminders for your project. Then it helps you to break big projects into smaller subtasks. Similarly, you can sync across Gmail, like you can integrate with Gmail, Google Calendar, and also it has an app to run your Google Task on your phone. So it is a perfect for personal productivity and small project or even lightweight team planning. So first of all, we will talk about how you can access Google Tasks. The process is really simple. Let's go and let's open an incognito, and here you just need to search Google Task, and let's hit enter the button, and here you can see we have this option called taskboard, and in the top we have on that's called sign in, and as you can see the URL task.google.com. so you can go with this one or you can go with this one, it's totally up to you. As you can see, this is the taskboard, and here you can see this is the interface will be when you will create an account over here. And then if I talk about the pricing, then definitely I will talk about that it has free planning for personal. You can go with this free plan, and then you have this kind of a premium plan. Let's go and convert it into US dollar. As you can see, this is the US dollar, so it's totally up to you. As if you are a beginner, then I will suggest you to go with this free plan. So there are three main ways to access Google Task. First of all, in Gmail, like you can open Gmail, then look at the right sidebar and click the blue checkmark icon. Then you have in Google Calendar, it's really easy, like you just need to be visit on Google Calendar, then find task on similarly in the checkmark on right hand side. Then the mobile app, this is the really easiest way, that you just need to be download the Google Task app from Play Store or App Store for access on the go. So I hope you understand how easy to access this platform. So let's go ahead and talk about how you can create a task list or project on this platform. So this is, or that is really simple. In here, if you have any idea about English particular language, then you can already understand how easy the process is. So you can easily create your task over here. Just click on this three dot, and here you can see we have options called create. Let's click on create, and here I'm going to give a title. The title will be, I can give any name. I'm going to write it content, and then here you can set up time, or you can check this out valid, then does not repeat, it is a reminder option. So here you just need to add your description, whatever description you can add it. So I'm going to add, that will be a content on tech, and then click on save, and eventually you can see it has been added in here. If you click over here, it has been, the task has completed, as you can see it. So the process is really simple, so you can now create a task on this platform easily. So let's go ahead and talk about adding tasks and subtasks, how you can do it. So this is another easy task for you. Here, once you create a task over here, then you just need to click on this three dot. Once you click over here, now eventually you will get a pop-up on your platform, and here as you can see we have bunch of options. One of them is add a subtask. So here you just need to click on add subtask, and this way just click on add subtask. As you can see it, how much easy the process is. Just here you just need to add your task or your further work. So I'm going to give a title, that will be, I will provide my content title, that is task management for beginners. So here you can provide your details, whatever details you want to add here. I'm just going to give it demo, and done. I have been done, and now you can see that our work, if I click over here, it has been done. Let's uncheck it. So subtext example, like you are launching an ad campaign, like subtext will help you to write copy, then design creative, then set budget. Like it's help you to make a foolproof plan for your business or your campaign. This way, if you are working on content, then you can make whatever you want with these subtasks. It's totally depend on you how you are making your plan for your work. I hope you understand. Then let's go ahead and talk about another options, that is using deadlines and calendar syncs. How you can do it? I hope you understand that it is will be difficult, but reality is it is not difficult. It is so much easy. Like we just need to go to the calendar. Let's search it, calendar, and then search it, and here you can see we have Google Calendar option. Just enter it, and then eventually here let's cross it, and eventually I already mentioned you in the first part in the video that we will get an checkmate on our calendar panel in the right sidebar. As you can see in the right sidebar, we have the option called task. You just to make sure task is checked on the left, just click on, and here you can see we have this option task. So I'm going to add a task that will be birthday, and then I'm going to provide birthday boy or girl name. Well, I'm going to give this name, and then here you can make the schedule. Like the birthday will tomorrow, and today is 5 June, so I'm going to click on tomorrow, and here you can see that our birthday has been added. And now the great thing is you can also move them around directly from calendar. It is super handy for rescheduling. So I'm going to paste it in 13, that as you can see it already changed. So this way you can change your task on the calendar, and it will be really organize your next step or next work. So now we are going to talk about another interesting thing, that is integrate with Gmail. So in Gmail, let's go on to the Gmail and then talk about it further. So in Gmail, you can turn emails into tasks. First of all, you just need to open the email. Then similarly, you just need to check this task manager and just click over here, and now you will get option to add task over here. So it will appear in your default list with a link back to the email. It is perfect for following up on messages or tracking client requests. So I hope understand you. And the main thing I forget that is you can add, like let's go, you can add level over here. Just click over here, and here you can add your level to this panel. So this is really interesting. I hope it will be really organizable for you. So let's go and let's talk about it using Google Task on mobile. So I am going to give you a theory plan, that is you can use Google Task on mobile. Just you need to go onto your phone, and you just need to download this Google Task mobile app on your phone. Then you can eventually use this one like similarly in desktop. So if you watch this video till then I will give you some pro tips for project management. Always remember, you can create a separate list for each project. Then always use subtasks for multi-step items, and never forget to set deadlines to keep things on track. And you can link email from Gmail to action item. Also, you can check your Google Calendar daily for task visibility. And I said already, that is use color coded level in calendar for better task separation. So I hope you understand why you need to use this Google Task apps. So, and let's wrap up the video here. That's how you can use Google Tasks for project management in 2025. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also click the bell icon for the notification for more productivity tutorials. If you have any question, drop them into the comment box. I will help you out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.